How does a program know whether a value is a number, a piece of text, or a true-false condition? This is where data types come in. Data types tell the program what kind of data a variable stores. What are data types? In Kotlin, every variable has a data type. Data type defines what value can be stored, what operations can be performed. For example, numbers, text, logical values. Let's look at the four basic data types. The first one, integer. Int is used to store whole numbers, for example, age, number of users, quantity of items. Example, val age int equal 25, val number of meters int equal 120. Important to know, int doesn't support decimal values. Double for decimal numbers. Double is used to store numbers with decimals. For example, electricity usage, temperature, price values. Example, electricity usage double equal 23.75. Temperature double equal 36.5. Double provides high precision for decimal numbers. String, text data. String is used to store text. For example, usernames, addresses, meter numbers. Example, username of string equal Michael, city of string equal this. Strings must be written inside quotation marks, double quotation. The Boolean, true or false. Boolean stores logical values, possible values, true or false. Example, login status, payment success, system availability. Example, val is logged in, Boolean equal true, payment success equal false. Booleans are often used in decision-making conditions. The summary, data types integer used for whole numbers, example 10. Double for decimal numbers, 23.5. String used for text, example Alex. Boolean, true or false values, example true. Data types help programs understand and process information correctly. In Kotlin, the most basic data types are int for numbers, double for decimal, string for text, Boolean, true or false values. Mastering this is the foundation of Kotlin programming. Let's see example in Android Studio. Here is example for data types. Val name of string equal Alex. Why this string is redundant? Because when I click Alt Enter, remove explicit type specification, because the compiler already know if I put like this a string inside double quotation, it is a string. So I am no longer need to define it as string. Okay, and here val age equal 30 integer. Here also redundant, I can remove it. Val balance 120.75. The compiler know that it is a double value. And val is active, Boolean true. Also the compiler know it is a Boolean value, so I no longer need to define it as Boolean. And I print all of them. Here is the first one, Alex 30, 120.75, true. I print all my values. Thanks for watching and see you next video.